Hi, I'm Chuck Geither from the Boyle County Public Library,
Hi, I'm Kinsey Heisel, and this is Severo.
and today we're going to be making paw print paintings. This video will be released in conjunction with a kit of the same name that you can pick up at the library here while supplies last. This craft makes a lovely keepsake and art piece that you can keep and hang in your own home. These kinds of paintings are made by pet owners and zoos all across the nation. Just like them, we will be using a non-toxic tempera paint that should be safe for cats and dogs, but make sure you do your research before you try it with any more unconventional pets. In addition to your paint, you'll need a couple supplies. You will need a small canvas, paper towels to clean up because this project can make a mess. In addition, it's a good idea to have some warm soapy water on standby. The paint can't hurt the dogs if they lick it, but you still don't want them to eat too much of it off of their paws, and I'm sure they don't like having it all over there either. In addition to your supplies, you'll also need a volunteer, and this is where Severo comes in. Let's get started. So to get started, you'll need to make a small paint palette. You can do this with plates, paper plates, or regular works just fine. You can use flat pieces of cardboard, an actual painter's tray, just about anything that will fit your volunteer's paw on it. So we're going to put a little bit, you really don't need a lot, just a little bit of the green paint on the center of this plate here. You can probably get away with using even less than that. Some of the paints will be included in the kits that we hand out. You'll get a variety of little samples of paint. You want to make sure that your palette is close to your canvas, which is also close to the soapy water you're going to use to get the paint off of your friend's paw. So now we are ready to begin. We just want to make sure we can get a light but full coverage on the dog's paw, and press his paw gently into the paint, then onto the canvas, and then wash it right off.
You're okay, bud. Oh, it's on my foot.
Oh, it's okay, buddy. Did you get it?
You're good. Yeah, I think I got it.
All right, let's push her over a blank part. There we go. Oh, no. Okay.
Good job.
There's a little paw print.
You did it. You did
There's a little
it.
something. All right. And anything like that your friend does should be just fine because it adds to the character of the overall painting.
It's okay.
You can repeat this process as many times as you want until you run out of blank space on your canvas or until your friend runs out of patience. When you're done, you should be left with a lovely and abstract piece of decor that you can keep and hang on your wall, or you can give it as a gift. Make sure you let it completely dry before you hang it on a wall, and that's all there is to it. Thank you and enjoy.